Good morning guys, welcome back to another video on Unplugged TV Australia. Yeah guys, what you just saw is a cracked windscreen on the passenger side directly under the wiper. I have discovered this about 2 weeks ago when I washed the car. It was a week after I picked it up from the body shop in Brisbane, and I could not believe what I was seeing, as you can imagine. You are really surprised to find a cracked windscreen one morning. So I will show you quickly what has happened. See this plastic part here, which is like a cover for this hinge. See, there's a little plastic clip underneath there, this white one. There's a little plastic clip, and this plastic clip does not stick in. So what has happened, the plastic has bent a little bit over to this side, and whenever you open the frunk, see, this plastic bends back all the way, and then pushes onto the wiper. It pushes hard on the wiper, and you can see the glass flexing underneath the wiper. Well, yeah, then the wiper pushed onto this glass, and I think the glass is actually overhanging here. It's not supported by anything underneath, and yeah, over time the wiper has pushed on the glass here and broke it. But I think you can see the actual corner of the glass there. It looks like the glass was already damaged from the beginning when I got the car, and I've never realized it because it was always covered by the wiper like this. So you can't see the corner of the glass now. But if you lift it up a little bit, you can see it looks like they have probably cracked the glass right in the factory already. This is where the crack is coming from the corner, and there was maybe a little crack already in the glass, and this has just cracked it. Eventually, I logged a service ticket with Tesla straight away when I discovered this. They have advised to get back to Drive Accident Solution, the body shop where the car was before. So I did that, did a little video, did some photos and sent them all over. And they ordered a new windshield straight away from Melbourne. It was supposed to come 4 days later, which did not work at all. And now 2 weeks later, we finally have the appointment today. So the problem now is, whose fault is it? Is it something the body shop has done incorrectly when they remounted the frunk lid? Because they repainted it, remember that? Or is this something Tesla has screwed up in the factory already while the glass was a little bit shattered at the corner, right at the corner? It was definitely not a stone chip or something, because if you drive, you get all the traffic on this side here, and it's very unlikely that the rock actually came down in this angle here and just hit the glass under the wiper. Not possible. See, there's a little, it looks like here is a point of center of all these cracks. It looks like something has hit here, but this is exactly where the support ends of the glass. So everything here is supported by the frame, and this one is the overhanging bit, so it broke exactly at this piece. And there's no damage on the wiper either, so a rock in this position here is very unlikely, because the angle of the glass is actually turning away from the traffic on the other side there, which comes towards you. So a rock chip is, it's almost impossible to get this damage done by a rock. It would be a very hard and large impact to the glass to make this crack in this position there. So yeah, I'm not sure. They obviously cannot say anything without seeing the car, so we take it down to Brisbane this morning again. They will replace the front screen, of course. So this is the last day of the week before we go on a holiday trip. Yeah, damn it, the Teslander is wounded. We've got Friday the 13th. What possibly could go wrong? my friends, we are back here at Drive Accident Solutions in Brisbane, dropping off the car, and hopefully they can fix the windscreen. So guys, the plan is to leave the car here for the day, and we are taking the bus to the city, do some Christmas shopping, and then we come back at about 3 or 4 o'clock here to pick up the car again, hopefully repaired, and hopefully they cover the costs. The video for us going on the bus trip here, which will be exciting, will be on the other channel, so be excited. Swap to the other channel, it's in German. So we are leaving the car here at Drive Accident, what is it called? Drive Accident Solutions. They will replace the windscreen now. We had a look. Probably they will cover the cost for it because they have adjusted the bonnet, and Tesla will likely not accept their claim. So they will bear the cost for it. We don't know yet. And we also claimed the few extra bits and pieces which are not perfectly, like the front bumper, the backlights from one side which is sticking out a little bit, so they're adjusting this again. They're trying to, and then they give us a call. Okay, we are switching now to the other channel in 3, 2, 1.
6.5 hours later.
So guys, and we are back at Drive Accident Solution here in Pinkenba, I don't know what it's called. They rang just recently and told us yeah, everything is fixed. Oh, we can have a look at the workshop there. Oh, spotless clean. Nice. Yeah, so everything seems to be fixed. Windscreen is fixed and all the little bumper issues are hopefully fixed now. That's as good as it gets. Okay, let's pick up the car. Thank you very much.
Here without in one piece, so
yeah.
Thanks
Oh well,
so much.
we're coming back next week for the hail damage then.
yeah.
We won't have any.
Smash the windscreen on the way.
Oh no. And the camera needs calibration now for the next 25 kilometers or so.
Oh yeah, it may.
Yeah.
It
tells you on the
so,
screen
yeah.
then, yeah.
But if
Okay.
you got any queries, any concerns, let us know.
Will do.
Thank you very
Excellent.
much.
Great job for
Thanks
that.
a lot.
Thank you very much.
See you later.
Thanks. See ya. So we are now at the Supercharger here in Fortitude Valley at Tesla. Plugging in. Let's see, there's a thunderstorm warning for this area here, so in case it gets worse we just go in the underground car park. So let's see how much we get. Do we get over 100? $105. Rain is coming now. Of course, they just washed the car. It's already going down. We are at, how much are we? 40% or so. And the maximum was 113 kilowatts. That was all we can get, and now it goes down already. Okay, we are stopping supercharging now, and because it starts raining. They've got 2 more superchargers underground in the car park actually, and that's where we are going right now. It's free. Ach, hier sind noch die ganzen Teslas noch alle dran hier. Price for ticket. And I think we are sharing the power here, but we are still getting 86 kilowatts, so I'm not sure how much he gets. over there, but he should get less because I was here first. Priority charging. Ah, what a great decision to unplug up there and charge in the basement. There's no rain down here. So I've charged the car now to about 95% here, because we just had another coffee here and it was raining outside totally. So we just put it on 100%, so it took a long time to charge actually. Otherwise idle fees would have occurred. And this was $11.70, but free charge for me because I still got credit. Use my referral code down in the description. So guys, we are back home, and obviously we had a little bit of rain here because we were at only 26 degrees, so hopefully we got some rain. Okay, let me quickly show you the car while it is. So obviously they have repaired the glass here, of course. They have also put some sticky stuff in between this plastic panel here, so it stays away from the actual boot lid from the front. Adjusted the wiper as well. The wiper is now a little bit further up, as it was before was far too low. So they have adjusted the front bumper. I don't have this overlapping part here anymore. You can see this is all flush now. Excellent job, well done. And they also have adjusted the tail lights. Okay, hang on, I have to close this one here. See this one? Nice. Exactly same as this one. So yeah, that feels good. That feels good now. That is good. That is good. Well guys, so far I think I have nothing to complain anymore about the car. Hang on, 3 more things. I'm just kidding. Well, now everything has been fixed now. It's some double-side sticky tape in here, you know, which fixes this plastic. It's just a bad Tesla design. And the same over here. Well, I probably come up with a different solution for that, but at least it keeps it away from the front here when you open it. And there's enough space. Obviously the glass has a little bit changed now. This looks a bit different here to what it was before. Obviously they had a change in design of the glass. Maybe for a good reason. Maybe I was not the only one and first one who had a correct glass in this area. Yeah, the glass is not going as far anymore as before. So, well, and they have washed the car, obviously. It's nice and clean. Man, thank God we could supercharge underground in the underground car park at Tesla there. It would have been there was such a downpour there, unbelievable. Thunderstorm for about half an hour, and that's what exactly took to charge the car, so it was perfect timing. Nice. Alright, yeah, and this one here, he had 5 other Model 3s there, and he compared this, and they were all the same. And he said also the bar underneath, the metal bar underneath here, it has the same shape, so that's why the rubber doesn't go further down. And this is, yeah, probably matching this angle here. Well, it still looks weird, doesn't it? And if the rubber sticks out. Okay, well, it is what it is. That is the Tesla quality. When we dropped off the car, he said something like, well, you're not paying for the quality of the car, you're paying for the tech and the battery. That's what I said before, really. Alright guys, so far this update, everything is in perfect shape now. Well, as far as perfect as you can get it. Well, you know, it's the chrome trim here. A little bit off, but no, it's good. I'm happy now. Should leave it as it is. And supercharged to 95%. Never been that high. Yeah, that's probably the maximum I charged the car ever. Alright guys, so far, thanks for coming with me. This is Andy from Unplugged EV Australia signing off. You stay charged, and we will see us again in the next video very soon. Alright guys, see you then, bye bye. Oh yeah, thank you to Anthony and the whole team from Drive Accident Solution in Brisbane, in Brisbane, for fixing up the car and replacing the windscreen and washing the car. So awesome job as always. Thank you very much guys. Great job.